Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Peugeot Traveller on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. The side doors on this vehicle will open remotely, as you can see. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see we have reversing sensors there. Currently, we have 8 seats in place, and still, as you can see, loads of boot space available to us. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the vehicle. Again, you can see the sliding side door on this side, and as we approach the side of the car, you can also see the layout of the seats. Now that we've done a full circle of the vehicle, you can see also the bodywork is in fantastic condition the whole way around, as are the alloy wheels as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the vehicle, we're going to start off with the dials. We have the speedometer on the left-hand side, the rev counter on the right-hand side. In the centre, at the bottom, the trip computer, which includes the total miles. They are 20,386. Above that, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge, and above the dials themselves, our heads-up display for the vehicle. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have stereo controls. Over on the right-hand side, they continue along with phone controls. We then have cruise control and speed limiter just here, and the minus and plus paddles, so that you can change gear manually with this automatic gearbox should you wish to do that. Over in the center, we then have the main touchscreen. So you can access various different menus, including your audio menu, which is the one we're on at the moment. We've got AM, FM, and DAB radio, as you can see. You can listen to your own music as well via Bluetooth audio, USB input, and iPod input. So plenty of ways to listen to your music. On top of that, we've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available. So depending on the phone you have, you can connect that up as well. If we hit the satellite navigation button, you'll see the sat-nav screen. A full colour display, very, very easy system to use. You can pair your phone from up here as well. And on top of all of that, we have our full colour camera, as you can see just there. Working our way down from the screen, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature, the direction the air is being distributed in, and of course the fan speed. So you can do the fan speed up and down from here. When you're happy with those settings, that's your air conditioning on. Same button to turn it off, or hit auto. The vehicle will then maintain those temperatures by taking full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air for you. Any manual adjustment will take auto off straight away. You can, from inside the vehicle, open the sliding doors or use the key, as I did when we were on the outside of the vehicle. We have child locks as well, deadlocks, USB input, 12-volt charging socket, the start and stop button. So as long as the key is in the vehicle with you, hit that button, you'll be able to start the vehicle up. And you can see the key just here, which includes the buttons for the doors, which mirror the buttons on the dashboard just there. We then have the dial that is essentially the gear lever for the vehicle. So reverse, neutral, and drive are all available on here. The last thing I wanted to show you is the paperwork that we hold for this vehicle. So the V5 registration document, as you can see, 2 keys for the vehicle, and then the service book with 2 services stamped for 2022 and 2023 as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the vehicle for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video walk around of it, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.